outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me.
Hello, 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 it's Darion, aka Oybella, and in today's video I'm sharing with you guys how I did my hair. So I did Crochet Faux Locs, obviously by the title, but I love them so much. They're super long. They're kind of a little heavy, so I think I'm gonna cut them, but still they're super cute. I've had them in for like 2 weeks now, maybe a little bit longer. I'm not too sure, I don't know, but this is what it looks like, and I'm going to share with you guys how I did it. So if you want to know how I did this hair, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is my hair after I have parted everything out. I didn't show you guys me parting because, as you know, parting takes forever and it's really hard, and just you need all of your brain power in order to really part your hair. So yeah, anyhow, to part my hair, what I used was this 180-degree mirror that I found on Amazon. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. The link's down below so you guys can get that. And that mirror literally saved my life. Take the section that you're working on and that braid, you just want to unravel it a little bit so that you have like a little bit of length that you can braid down. So this is very important because what you're going to do is then attach the Crochet Faux Loc to that braid. So all you're going to do is just take one of the strands, attach the faux loc onto that, and then continue braiding down. Hopefully that made sense, but the next thing that I'm going to do, as you guys can see, is I took some Marley twist braiding hair and I cut that strip in half, and then I'm just going to take that hair and wrap it along the entire faux loc. So I know that was very fast. It's okay. And I'm going to pop in here and there and just show you guys again in different areas of my head. So it's okay if you don't understand now. I know I'm not the best at explaining things, but you can see what we're doing. So it's okay. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. I don't know yet. So here I am after I've gotten that back row done, and it looks very nice and flat, so cute. And then we're just gonna skip on ahead to where I'm in the middle of my head. So I'm gonna explain again and another time or two. So as you guys can see, what I'm doing here is I've attached the lock already onto that braid and just continued braiding it down. Now I'm taking that Marley twist hair that I cut in half, and then I'm going to take that hair and wrap it along the entire faux loc. So the faux loc and my hair, that's what we're wrapping it around. And when you're wrapping, you want to start like at the base of your head and then go all the way down. All right. So here we are, up close, personal. Let's get into things. So we've unraveled some of that braid from our section. We've gotten our lock, right? And then we're attaching that lock to one of the strands in that braid. And from there, we're gonna braid all of that down. So I'm just braiding my hair. I'm not braiding the lock into my hair. Then we're taking that Marley twist hair and we're twisting it around the base. And as you guys can see, I left a little bit of that Marley twist hair on the faux lock in my hair, and then wrapped that longer piece around all 3 of those pieces. So that's just gonna make sure that everything sticks and stays. And I didn't mention that to secure everything, I am using nail glue just on that little bit down there and then twisting it up in my hand. So throughout my hair, I added some curly human hair. I will link this down below as well in my Amazon storefront if you want to use it. I actually really like this hair. It's very soft and silky. Anywho, so we are attaching it to the faux lock. This is what I did. I just took a crochet needle and then jammed that through the lock, attached the curly hair, pulled it through, tied a knot, and then I used some nail glue and popped that on there. Simple, easy, same thing I've been doing throughout this whole thing. Here, as you guys can see, I tried attaching the hair at the base just with the crochet hook, but the hair is super soft and it just completely unraveled itself as soon as I pulled on it. So I wouldn't recommend that. But if you're wondering how I ended up adding the curly hair to some of the bases of some pieces, all you have to do is grab the curly hair and twist that in when you're twisting in the Marley hair. And then whenever you want to just have it falling out, you leave it out and then continue wrapping. So it's kind of like how you would do like the bohemian like knotless box braids. It's the same thing. You're just leaving out that piece whenever you feel like leaving it out. Okay, hopefully I explained everything and you understand everything that I did. If you have any questions, definitely let me know down below. But I'm gonna stop talking for now, and then I'll come back when the hair is finished in like a second. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and seeing me do my hair. Hopefully I explained everything well enough. But if I didn't and you have any questions, then please leave them down below. I'll answer just about everything. And if you want me to make like another video where it's maybe like a little more in depth, maybe like I don't do it in the bathroom because I feel like the lighting in there was a little bit wonky, so you couldn't really see what I wanted you to see. But yeah, if you want me to do a part 2, then let me know, because I definitely want to do this style again and like try to like really perfect it and get everything like really good. I mean, this is good, don't get me wrong, it's very good. I look very cute, but you know, we can perfect it, we can make it better. And also we can maybe do like a color next time, maybe like some blonde or something. That would be really fun. So let me know if you want to see that and we'll do that. Or I might just do it anyway because that sounds fun. That's like a cute little summer style word. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have lots more hair videos. So there's hair, makeup, nails. There's a bunch of stuff, okay? So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.